Got to push yourself a little bit.
Yeah, push her just a little bit. Good. Good job.
Good job. Here we go.
You can use your hands to push a little bit.
Yeah.
And you'll speed up further down. There you go.
Can I go by
Whoa.
Woo! Nice job, Lily.
My turn.
You want to go by yourself? I'm not going to come down there and get you. You have to walk up with the sled. You know, we need to go blow your nose first. Come on. What are we doing? Let's put your...
That was fun.
Can you dump that too, or you need a computer?
Yeah. Was that fun? You want another turn?
Even if I hurt myself in the back, it was so fun.
Stiffy mate?
Oh.
Yeah,
Come on.
It's going to be gone.
You turn it around, Lily.
Juste comme un bateau. Bon. Tu en fais encore ou pas? Relèche la lèvre supérieure.